A comfortable and durable toilet seat can improve both the functionality and appearance of your bathroom. The best toilet seats offer features like slow close lids, easy cleaning, sturdy construction, and secure installation for everyday convenience. In this guide, we explore the top 5 best toilet seats that combine comfort, durability, modern design, and reliable performance for a better bathroom experience. Number 5. Mayfair Linden Slow Close Toilet Seat. The Mayfair Linden Slow Close Toilet Seat is designed to provide comfort, durability, and quiet operation for modern bathrooms. Featuring a slow close mechanism, it prevents slamming by closing gently and silently, helping reduce noise and wear over time. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance for everyday household use. The easy clean design allows quick removal for convenient maintenance and improved bathroom hygiene. With a stylish and smooth finish, the seat complements a wide range of bathroom decor styles. Installation is simple, and the secure fastening system helps keep the seat stable during use. Comfortable, practical, and easy to maintain, the Mayfair Linden toilet seat is an excellent choice for upgrading bathroom convenience and functionality. Number 4. Mayfair Cassel Slow Close Toilet Seat. The Mayfair Cassel Slow Close Toilet Seat combines elegant design with user-friendly features for a more comfortable bathroom experience. Equipped with a slow close hinge system, it closes softly and quietly to prevent slamming and reduce damage. The durable material construction provides reliable long-term use while maintaining its smooth appearance. Its easy-to-remove feature allows hassle-free cleaning around hard-to-reach areas, improving bathroom hygiene and maintenance. Designed for comfort and stability, the seat fits securely on most standard toilets. The modern style blends well with different bathroom interiors, adding both function and visual appeal. Easy installation and dependable performance make the Mayfair Cassel an ideal choice for homeowners seeking comfort, durability, and convenience. Number 3. Bemis 1500 EC Durable Wood Toilet Seat. The Bemis 1500 EC Durable Wood Toilet Seat offers a classic appearance with strong and dependable construction. Made from high-quality molded wood, it provides a solid and comfortable seating experience while enhancing bathroom style. The multi-coat enamel finish resists scratches, stains, and chipping, helping maintain a clean and polished look over time. Designed for long-lasting durability, it fits securely on most standard toilets with reliable hardware. The seat is easy to install and simple to clean, making bathroom maintenance more convenient. Its sturdy design reduces shifting during use for added comfort and stability. Combining traditional style, durability, and everyday practicality, the Bemis 1500 EC is an excellent option for homeowners seeking a dependable toilet seat upgrade. Number 2. KOHLER to 01100 Brevia Slow Close Toilet Seat. The KOHLER to 01100 Brevia Slow Close Toilet Seat delivers premium comfort, quiet operation, and modern bathroom convenience. Featuring KOHLER's slow close technology, the seat closes gently and silently to prevent slamming and reduce wear. Its ergonomic design provides enhanced comfort for everyday use, while the durable plastic construction resists stains, chipping, and fading. The quick attach hardware simplifies installation and ensures a secure fit on compatible toilets. Easy clean functionality allows convenient maintenance and improved hygiene. With a sleek and modern appearance, the Brevia toilet seat complements a variety of bathroom styles, combining durability, comfort, and reliable performance. The KOHLER Brevia is a high-quality solution for upgrading bathroom functionality and aesthetics. Number 1. Bemis 170 Durable Plastic Toilet Seat. The Bemis 170 Durable Plastic Toilet Seat is a practical and affordable bathroom upgrade designed for long-lasting everyday use. Made from durable plastic material, it resists chips, stains, and scratches while maintaining a clean appearance over time. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction provides reliable comfort and stability for daily use. The simple design fits most standard toilets and blends easily with various bathroom styles. Easy installation hardware makes setup quick and convenient, while the smooth surface allows effortless cleaning and maintenance. The seat remains secure during use, reducing unwanted shifting or movement. Durable, easy to maintain, and budget-friendly. The Bemis 170 toilet seat is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking dependable performance and everyday comfort.